to room 25's assembly item. Well, where's the rest of the class?
Don't
Look,
walk.
they're on the wrong bus.
Walk. Don't walk. Go fast. Go slow. Stop. Now tiptoe. And now dance. Safety dance with me. Got to stop. Look. Listen. You try.
Stop. Look. Listen.
Carefully. Now look both ways. Look. Look. Look both ways.
Look. Look.
Look both ways.
Look. Look.
Before you cross the street, come on now dance. For the safety dance with me. You've got to stop. Look. Listen. Your turn.
Stop. Look. Listen.
Carefully. Use your head wherever you go. Pay attention so you know when it's appropriate to walk. Don't walk.
Walk. Don't walk.
Sit down, stand up, turn around, stop. And now dance to the safety dance with me. Got to stop, look, listen.
Stop. Look. Listen.
Stop, look, listen.
Stop. Look. Listen.
Together.
Stop. Look. Listen. Carefully.
I was watching you kids and I wasn't happy because you forgot some rules of being safe on the road. I think we need to go through our road safety alphabet with all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A is for ambulance, B is for bus. J is for cars that transport us. D is for driving. Efficiency, yes! E is for eyes and S to check the white is clear. F is for fire engine, G is for unite. H is for holding hands, let's do it right. I is for take extra care. J is for jaywalking, not a good idea. K is for curve, a word you need to know. L is for looking before you go. M is for motorbike, so very fast indeed. N is for noticing the traffic on the street. O is for orange, I want to be red. If you see this colour, you must take extra care. P is for pedestrian, Q is for quick. R is a seatbelt will make that thing. S is for being safe, it's all about you. T is for traffic lights to tell you what to do. U is for understanding the road safety code. V is for vehicles, the traffic on the road. W is for the walking bus that keeps us fit. It's great fun to walk to school, we must admit. X is for crossing, that's where you cross the street. Y is for you, and how you use your feet. Zebra crossing is for the letter Z. We come to the end of our alphabet. Well done, room 25. Look, there's a zebra crossing. Let's practice what we have learned on the road.
When we cross the road, we need an adult to hold our hand. That's what we do. When we cross the road, we need an adult near. When we're sensible and clear, the world have nothing left at all to fear. When you're ready to cross the road, follow these rules like you look to the right, and you look to the left, look to the right again before you step. When we cross the road, we need to look both ways. When we're sensible and clever, we'll be safe and we'll be A-okay. When you're ready to cross the road, follow these rules like you've been told. Then you'll be safe and know what to do. This road safety song's for you and you and you and you. Now listen up, you guys. Now what can you hear? Can you hear cars or trucks or anything near? When we cross the road, we need to listen well. When we're sensible and clever, we'll know all our rules and we'll be swell. When you're ready to cross the road, follow these rules like you've been told. Then you'll be safe and know what to do. This road safety song's for you and you and you and you. So now we're ready to cross, and we know the time's come. Make sure you walk, you walk, you walk, don't run. When you cross the road, walk in a straight line. When we're sensible and clever, then we know for sure that we'll be fine. When you're ready to cross the road, follow these rules like you've been told. Then you'll be safe and know what to do. This road safety song's for you and you and you and you. I said this road safety song's for you.
Turn around, room 25. Mrs. Fisher, please take the school for singing.